Welcome to another video from Destinations A to Z. We are at Perry Fairgrounds here in Perry, Georgia. Check out what we're looking at right here. These are all the RVs here at FRVA, what used to be former FMCA. Let's go in here and check them out, go through them, show you what they got. Suggested retail is $510,261, $339,995. Here's another Fleetwood Discovery. Let's go in and check it out. This one has two-tone cockpit seats. Different. This one has a love seat with dual recliners. Has a fireplace. Has an L-shaped dinette. Which is kind of unique. Got a nice silver medallion. Super nice galley area with dishwasher. Here you can see your Firefly touch panel. Does have bunks. So this is a bunk model. Then here is a full bath. Here you have a king tilt bed. This one does not have a stackable washer dryer. This is a closet back here in the back. And then of course here's your shower back here. Open this up so you can see it. So this is just a fiberglass shower. Again, two full bath though. That is what's so amazing in this RV. You do have the hide loft. This is a super nice floor plan. If you've got a family and want to get outside quickly, then with two full baths, you're able to do that. So this is very unusual.